In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language in Microsoft Teams. So this is actually quite simple to do. So all you need to do is open Microsoft Teams. Now you can do that by using the app or in your browser and then sign into your account. You'll then end up here somewhere like on activity or chat or Teams. Doesn't really matter. Click on this icon, top right corner, and you'll then find all of your information. Click on settings right there and then go to general. Right there, you'll then find language and then click on app language and then select the language that you want to change it to. Let's say that I want to change it to German. You then select that. You can also change the keyboard language if needed, but once you've selected that new language, you want to click on save and restart, and that's how you can change your language on Microsoft Teams. So if this quick video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.